Ladies and gentlemen, hello everyone. So we're here from this analyze here of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 10 is in this challenger. So it means 3 rounds left on this game from this Tata Steel Chess from this one. So it means long game within 1 hour and 40 minutes here of this game from this one in this tournament from this one. And also have between from this international master in India is Divya Deshmukh versus grandmaster in Germany Frederick Svein. So it means India versus Germany of this game from this one. So in this round number 10 in this challengers in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 10 in Tata Steel. So white plays Deshmukh is d4, knight f6 Frederick, c4, g6, King's Indian defense, g3, c5. So it means c5 are sacrificed by Frederick, and also pawn takes c5, and also bishop g7. So it means bishop g7 with upcoming by kingside by castle. So it means castle kingside here. And also bishop g2. So it means ready of this one by knight g2, or maybe coming by castle kingside here by Deshmukh. And also queen a5 check. So it means queen a5 check. So it means check. So it means check. Or maybe here by target by c5. So it means c5 by 2 checks. So it means first check or seconds by target by c5 from this one. And also knight c3. And also capture this pawn by queen. So it means queen takes c5 here. And also queen a4 with a defense by c4. So it means c4 here. And also knight g4. So it means knight g4 with a coming target by f2. Or maybe queen by targets by f2 here. So it means double attack by f2 from this one. So it means danger for whites. And also knight e4 with a threatening by target by queen. So it means target here. And also queen c6, queen to queen, queen takes, pawn takes, and also knight f3. So it means knight f3, upcoming ready from this castle kingside by Deshmukh from this one. And also knight a6, so it means knight e6 here. So it's still novelty by Frederick. So it's still novelty by black by knight a6. So it's still old main line there. Good novelties, knight d7 or simple castle kingside by also the two good novelty by this one. So knight a6 here by novelty, and also rook b1, bishop f5. So it means bishop f5 with a threatening by this knight, or maybe here is coming castle queenside. So it means castle queenside, or maybe here castle kingside here from this one. And also knight h4 with a threatening bishop, and also bishop takes, and also castle queenside, castle kingside, and also knight c5 with a threatening by this target by bishop here from this one, and also bishop c2, knight knight e6. So it means knight e6 here with a moves by followed by this one, knight f4, or maybe knight here. Oh no. Oh, still knight f4 here. So it means knight f4, or maybe or maybe why we move here. So it means follow here by knight c5 here. So it means here from this one. And also knight f3, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5 with a threatening by c4, and also knight takes, bishop takes knight, and also bishop e3, bishop d4 with upcoming threatening bishop to bishop, and also bishop backward c1. So it means novelty by again by Deshmukh. So novelty, good novelties capture this one, or maybe here rook fd1 here. Simple is that. So it means two good novelties here from this one. So backwards is bishop c1 backwards by Deshmukh, and also h5, h4. So it means h4 will stopping by h4 white. So it means black here. So it means stop black by h4 by Frederick. And also rook d7 by Frederick. Upcoming this one, battery by here, by rook d8. So it means rook d8 here from this one. Battery coming batteries here. And also b4. So it means b4 by strongest move by dash move. Still upcoming by push h. So it means upcoming push b5 or maybe here by push c5. So it means b5 or c5 here. So it means good solutions determinations here. And also rook hd8 with a battery. And also king g2, king b8. So it means king b8 here. And also c5. So it means c5 here by pushes. So it means pushes by c5 by dash move. And also knight c7 by Frederick. So still followed by knight b5 or maybe knight c3 or maybe knight e3. Oh, knight e3 here. Still follow of this one determinations here. And also bishop f4. So still bishop f4 cannot move by bishop cannot move by knight b5 because still check by pin. So it means pin by check. So it means cannot move by knight b5. Sorry, I knight b5. So it means knight b5 here. So it means cannot move by knight b5 here. So it means pin by check. And also king c8. So it means king c8. So it means king c8. So it means knight ready from this follow by here knight b5 by Frederick. So it means determinations here. And also bishop p3. So it means bishop p3 by dash move still move followed by move by bishop c4. So it means bishop c4 here. And also e6 and also bishop c4. So it's still cannot move by knight b5 by Frederick. And also bishop f6, rook fc1, and also knight d5. So it means knight d5 with upcoming targets by bishops. It means targets here from this one. So it means solutions by the development. And also bishop takes knight, rook takes bishop, and also a4. So it means a4 followed by a5 by push. So it means pushes here from this one. And also bishop e5, upcoming this captured bishop, captured, and also rook b2. So it means rook b2 here. Still moved by again with a follow by rook c2. So it means rook c2 here by 7th rank. And also rook ed5, battery again, and also rook cc2 without 7th rank by white belows, and also king c7, king f3, and also rook d1. So it means rook d1 by strongest move by Frederick here. And also b5. Oh my god, b5 pushes here. Strongest move by dash move. And also rook 8 d7. b6 check. Nice move. Awesome move by dash move. Still check here. And also king b8. So for example, why don't you think if you capture this pawn takes b6 here and also capture this pawn, still check. So it means check here and also king b8 still cannot move here by there. So it means without check and without check here, still check here from this one, still check. Hmm. So back there is king b8, a5. So it means a5 defense by b6 and also close a6 with a long collide here. So it means a6 here. So what do you think again? If you capture this one, captured, so it may be captured. So it means captured here. Still cannot move by king a7 or king c7, still check. So back there is a6 and also rook a2. That's too much, so it means bad move. Bad move again by dash move. So the best moves there is g4. So it means g4. If you capture these pawns here and also king takes pawn and also rook 7 d4 check and also here is king f3. Simple is that by develops in solutions here by determinations here. So back there is rook a2 and also king c8, a3, king d8, and also rook a4, king e7, and also g4. Simple, nice move again. So it means nice move by develops by Deshmo, and also captured, and also rook 7 d2 without rook to rook, and also rook a8 2, and also rook g1 check. So if you capture this one, if you capture this rook to rook, or maybe capture this rook and also rook g1 check. So it means simple as that by develops in these black pieces here. So back there is rook g1 check and also king f4, rook takes, and also rook a1 with a threatening by a5, and also f3, and also defeats pawn rook takes a5. Still 1 pawn down here from this one. Two pawns down here. So how many pawns here from this one? So it means 5 pawns by white pieces in Dashmok and 6 pawns by black in Frederick. So it means 5 versus 6 here. So it means 6 versus 5. So it means 6 versus 5 here. And also a4, rook b5, king e5, and also rook b4, rook c1, a5. So it means a5 here without push by a4, a3, or maybe a2 with upcoming promotes here. Promotes by queen. So it means promotes here. And also king f4, a4. Upcoming by push a3. King g5, a3. Oh my god, nice move by Frederick. So still good decisions by Frederick. Still upcoming by push a2, or maybe upcoming here promotes queen. So it means determinations here. And also rook a1. So it means rook a1 without threatening by a3 targets. And also rook a4, defense by a3. So it means rook a4, good decisions by Frederick. So it means what so it means so it goes rook behind the pawn. So it means rook behind the pawns in this one. So it means rook behind the pawns. And also e5, a2. Oh my god, a2 cannot move by promotes here. And also f4, king f8. Oh, king f8 here. And also h5, captured, and also king g7. Rook g1 check, king f8, and at the back rook a1. So it means at the back, and also king e7, king g5, rook a3. So it means rook a3 without develop, without check. So the upcoming check by here by this one. So it means develop here, and also king h5, f6. So it means f6 here, and also king g6. So what do you think if you capture these pawns here, and also king takes pawn, or maybe here is king g4. So still developed by this one. So it means same. So it means 4 versus 3, or maybe so it means determination. So it means wins for blacks here. So back there is king g6, and also rook g3 is check, king h5 at the back, rook a3. So it means repeat, king g6, repeat, rook g3 check, king h5, and also rook g2. Oh my god, rook g2. So why not at the back by rook a3? So it means block determinations here. So determinations here from this one. And also king h4, king f7, and also king h3 with a threatening by rooks here. So it means rook here from this one. And also rook b2, king g4, and also king g6, and also f5 check, captured, king f4, and also rook b4 check, resigns by Deshmukh in India. So why she resigns? Because if you king a3 only move, and also f4 check, and also king d3, and also here by f3, and also king a3, or maybe here is rook b3 check, and also king d2, and also here by f2. So it means, so if you king e2 here, and also rook b2 check, and also king d1, and also promotes here by queen still checkmate. So it means lost by whites here. So it means lost again by Divya Deshmukh in India. So the winner of this GM in Germany is Frederick Swain. So it means congratulations by this GM here from this one. So I hope in this part of this video here, thank you so much for watching here. I'm Mark Luwagi17, also known as IconMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.